Facing travel problems. Let's get started. Changing flight date.
Hi, I need to change my flight date, please.
Of course. Could you tell me your current booking details?
Yes, it's for March 10th to Tokyo.
Thank you. And which date would you prefer instead?
March 12th, if possible.
Let me check. Yes, there's a flight available at 2 p.m. on March 12th.
That sounds perfect.
Just to let you know, because your original ticket was purchased at a lower fare, the airline requires a change fee of $80.
Oh, I didn't realize there would be a charge.
Yes, it's part of the ticket conditions. I understand it's inconvenient, but once the fee is paid, your booking will be updated smoothly.
Okay, I'll pay it. I really need the new date.
No problem. Would you like to keep the same seat preference?
Yes, an economy window seat, please.
Done. I've secured that for you.
Thank you for explaining everything so clearly.
You're very welcome. I'm glad I could help.
Will I receive a new ticket?
Yes, a revised e-ticket will be sent to your email shortly.
Perfect, that makes me feel much better.
I'm happy to hear that. Have a wonderful trip to Tokyo on March 12th. Missed flight and rebooking.
Hi, I just missed my flight.
I'm sorry to hear that. Could you tell me which flight it was?
The 10 a.m. flight to New York.
Let me check the system for alternatives.
I'm really worried. I had important plans today.
I understand. Don't worry, we'll find a solution together.
Thank you, I feel a bit calmer already.
There's another flight available at 3 p.m. this afternoon.
That's good news.
Just to explain, since the missed flight was due to your late arrival, the airline requires a rebooking fee of $120.
I see. That's fair. It was my mistake, so I'll pay the fee.
Thank you for understanding. Once the fee is paid, your seat will be confirmed on the next flight.
Okay, please confirm the new booking.
Done. You're now booked on the 3 p.m. flight.
What about my luggage? I checked it in earlier.
Good question. Your luggage is already in the system, so it will be automatically transferred to the new flight.
That's a huge relief. I was worried I'd lose it.
No need to worry. You'll also receive a new boarding pass at the counter.
Thank you so much for explaining everything clearly.
You're very welcome. Safe flight this afternoon, and I hope your trip to New York goes smoothly. Upgrading a seat.
Hi, can I upgrade my seat?
Certainly. May I have your booking details, please?
Yes, it's for tomorrow's flight to Sydney.
Thank you. I see you currently have an economy ticket. Would you like to upgrade to premium economy or business class?
What's the difference between them?
Premium economy offers extra legroom and wider seats. Business class, however, includes lounge access, fine dining, priority boarding, and a fully reclining seat for rest.
That sounds very comfortable. How much extra is business class?
The upgrade to business class is $600.
That's quite a lot.
I understand. Many travelers choose business class because of the added comfort on long flights, especially the flatbed seats and the quieter cabin.
Tempting. Can I use my mileage points to cover part of the upgrade?
Yes, you can. If you have enough points, they can reduce the cost, or even cover the full upgrade.
That's great. I'd like to use my points and pay the rest.
Perfect. I'll process that for you now.
Thank you for explaining everything so clearly.
My pleasure. Once the upgrade is confirmed, you'll receive a new e-ticket by email.
Excellent. I feel much better about the long flight now.
I'm glad. You'll also have access to the business lounge before departure. A quiet place with food, drinks, and Wi-Fi.
That sounds wonderful. I'll definitely enjoy it.
I'm happy to help. Safe travels to Sydney, and enjoy your upgraded experience. Changing destination.
Hi, I'd like to change my destination, please.
Of course. Could you share your current booking details?
Yes, I'm booked to Madrid.
Thank you. And where would you like to go instead?
To Barcelona.
Let me check. Yes, there are flights available to Barcelona.
That's great.
Just to explain, because you're changing the destination, the airline requires a fee of $100.
I understand. That's fair, and I'll pay the fee.
Thank you. Would you like to stay in economy class, or consider another option?
Economy is fine. I'd prefer a morning flight.
There's one at 9:15 a.m. Would that suit you?
Is there anything earlier than 9:15 a.m.?
I checked, and unfortunately the 9:15 a.m. flight is the earliest available today.
Okay, then I'll take that one.
Perfect. I'll update your booking now.
Thank you for helping me with this change.
My pleasure. You'll receive a new e-ticket by email shortly.
Excellent, that makes me feel more at ease.
I'm glad to hear that. Enjoy your trip to Barcelona, and safe travels. Flight cancellation.
Hello, my flight was cancelled.
I'm very sorry about that. Could you tell me which flight you were booked on?
The 6 p.m. flight to Paris.
Let me check. Yes, it's cancelled, due to severe weather conditions.
Oh no. This completely ruins my plans tonight. I was supposed to meet friends in Paris.
I understand how frustrating that must feel. The airline will help you with arrangements, so you're not left stranded.
That's disappointing, but I guess there's nothing I can do about the weather.
Exactly. What we can do is rebook you for tomorrow morning.
Okay. I'd prefer an early flight.
There's one at 7:45 a.m. tomorrow.
That works. At least, I'll get there in the morning.
Since the cancellation was caused by weather, the airline will provide support. You'll receive hotel accommodation tonight, so you can rest.
Really? That's a relief.
Yes, you'll get a hotel voucher at the service desk. The airline also provides transportation. A shuttle bus will take you directly to the hotel.
Thank you. That makes things easier.
Do you need directions to the desk, where you can collect the voucher?
Yes, please. And will the hotel voucher include food? I'm worried about dinner.
Yes, the voucher usually covers meals. You'll be able to have dinner tonight, and breakfast tomorrow at the hotel.
Perfect. I was really upset at first, but this makes me feel much better.
I'm glad. Safe travels tomorrow morning, and I hope you enjoy Paris once you arrive.